Yes, students, see the next paragraph. Yet the dark part of the moon's surface is not absolutely black. Generally, it is just light enough for us to be able to see its outline, so that we speak of seeing the old moon in the new moon's arm. The light by which we see the old moon does not come from the sun, but from the earth. We know well how the surface of the sea or of snow or even of a wet road they may reflect uncomfortably much of the sun's light onto our faces. In the same way, the surface of the whole earth reflects enough of the sun's light onto the face of the moon for us to be able to see the parts of it which would otherwise be dark. Yes, students, they are saying that when we see the half moon or the quarter moon, see here is a moon. See, this is the dark part of the earth, and this is the dark part of the moon, and this is the bright part of the moon. So this part of the moon, which is bright, is actually the result of the reflection from the sun, whereas the light outline which seems it is actually the result of the reflection of the light from the earth. See, they are giving the example of the snow and the water, that when sun's light falls on it, it gives a reflection onto our faces. Same is the case of this part of the moon, as it is the result of the reflection of the light from the earth. Okay, so therefore, what the people says that the old moon in new moon's arm. Okay, let's see the next paragraph. If there were any inhabitants of the moon, they would see our earth reflecting the light of the sun, again like a huge mirror hung in the sky. They would speak of earth light just as we speak of moonlight. The old moon in the new moon's arms is nothing but that part of the moon's surface on which it is night lighted up by earth light. In the same way, the lunar inhabitants would occasionally see part of our earth is full sunlight, and the rest lighted only by the moonlight. They might call this the old earth in the new earth's arm. See, in this paragraph, what the writer says, if there were living on the moon, maybe there were aliens or any kind of inhabitants living on the moon. So what they will talk about our earth? They will be talking as that earth is. They will be talking as earth light, as we see, talk about as moon's light. Why? Because the earth seen from the moon as we see the moon from the earth, isn't it? So like we see this, like see here, like we observe the moon from the earth in such a manner that this is the bright part which is actually the reflection of the sun, and that is the dark part having outline which is actually the reflection of the earth. The same is the case of that inhabitants living on the moon, that when if they will be living over there, they will be saying that the old earth is a new earth's arm, as the earth seems as for those inhabitants like as we see the moon from the earth.